Welcome everyone. We are here at charming country cottage to explore its warm and inviting kitchen. Let's dive right in. The kitchen is bathed in natural light thanks to the quaint windows adorned with floral curtains. The ambience is rustic yet cozy with exposed wooden beams on the ceiling. Our eyes are immediately drawn to the farmhouse style kitchen table. It sets the tone for a welcoming and communal atmosphere. The countertops are adorned with vintage ceramic jars, housing essentials like flour, sugar, and coffee beans. It's a nod to the simplicity of country living. Moving to the stove area, we find a classic cast iron range, complete with a kettle away. The scent of a homemade stew lingers in the air, enhancing the feel. The open showcase an array of mismatched yet charming dinnerware and antique kitchen tools. It's a visual feast that tells stories of the countless family gathering and shared meals. The heart of the kitchen is the large weathered farmhouse sink. It's surrounded by herbs in clay pots and overlooks a window with a view of rolling hills. A perfect spot for daydreaming while washing dishes. Every corner of the country cottage kitchen exudes a sense of simplicity, authenticity, and a connection to nature. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful kitchens are the ones that evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. wraps up our tour of this delightful country cottage kitchen. Happy cooking!